Unique features of VKS video wall controller. Hello everyone, today we are going to show you unique features of VKS controller, which name as custom screen order, Basemape, signal clip, support subtitle and iPad. Let's try this feature and see how it works. So we can go to the custom screen order management. And we can customize here. Alright, so that's how we can customize the screen arrangement. Okay. And then we can go to the signal clip. For example, I want to clip this screen along y-axis. So that's how we can clip this signal here. And we can go to the subtitle page. For example, we can write something here, and after that we can adjust the font size and the color. Either we need a transparent or so we can switch over there. Alright. So now we can move a Basemape feature. For example, we want to upload some agenda of the day or some information in the form of picture, so we can browse from here. So that's how we can upload the wallpaper, and either we need to show the display over there or we can show over there. So now let's move to iPad feature. So we can drag some signal from here. So we can drag the signal here. Either we need to full screen, we can click over there and we can clear the screen, and we can show some multiple screen as well. For example, we need to show this screen as the top, so we can click over there, or either a bottom, so we can click over there and then we can save this scene as well. And we can call other scenes such as like this one or this one.